Hey guys, and welcome to the range again. My name is Stefan Norman. I've been an ambassador for Pulsar since 2021 and been a shooting instructor for the past 10 years. Today we're going to be talking about something a bit different. So this is all about how to update your handheld device that is compatible with the Vision Ballistics. We already have a rifle scope with proven data for all the ballistics and all the features that you need to apply to get good solid data and for it to function at different distances. This feature is for all you guys who have a handheld and have a scope that doesn't have the LRF, where you can upload it, as said, to the device, get the profile in, and this unit will talk the exact same language as your rifle scope. So you can measure the distance and get the holdover and the windage that you need. In this unit, just like the other ones, you need to go into the main menu, long pressing on the menu button, find the Bluetooth icon, short press there, and turn on the Bluetooth. Now you go down to the Bluetooth pairing, and also on your phone where you have your ballistic profile, make sure that the Bluetooth is on, and then open the Vision Ballistics. What you want to do now, start Bluetooth pairing, and then connect device. Continue. Connect to the merger LRF-XT50, and you got a code in the display which is 0434, and connect. And we are connected. On the right hand side Bluetooth symbol, you press and you go to profile and you choose the profile. So in this one we are at profile A and we want to update that by pressing the red square with arrows. Now you choose the profile that you want to update, and in this case it's the HMR 6.5 Creedmoor, and it's done. So now it's updating, and now this handheld unit has the same profile as the scope. What I want to do now is, this one is set for MOA and I prefer to have MRAD or mils. So I'll go in the main menu, choose ballistics, go down to ballistic calculator units, press there, go to MRAD for mils or milliradians. And now, as I'm measuring the distance, 1001 meters to the target, that equals a 10.29 MRAD drop and a spin drift of 0.2 mils. So it's talking the exact same language. Now, even if I wouldn't have a ballistic calculator in the scope, I can actually hold on the mil dots with the digital first focal plane reticle. In this case, I'm choosing the M57 FI reticle because that is a digital first focal plane reticle, meaning that regardless of what zoom level you're at, the mils are going to hold true. So you can count the mils and hold with just the reticle. Both of them have the same profile. I can now just go in the quick menu, enter the distance manually, and it will give me the hold. But we get the confirmed distance through the handheld device. So that's how easy this is to use. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something.